Hi everyone. I thought I would make another video which is detailing the recent updates which I've got after a talk with uh, Fegrox and few of the developers in the recent EMA. I did post some questions to them, and after which in this video we are going to also see the major update that FEGX has given regarding Fiat to FEG. What is this Fiat to fact? Please do watch till the end of the video to know more details. And before we start, Mr. Aslan here stating that I'm not a financial advisor or neither is this of any financial advice. Please do your own research before you get into any token in the crypto space. Same old disclaimer, never get tired of it. Alright, moving ahead. Now, the first and foremost thing that I would like to share are a few updates that have happened lately. The first one being that there was a recent purchase of 60 ETH worth FEG. Now, I don't know who has purchased it or whether it's an institution or an individual person, but think of it in this lines. Why would someone who you think this coin has no potential would invest almost close to 60 ETH worth into it? So, just a thought because there are how it works ideally even in the stock market. If you just have a look at it, all these kind of players who are there, or investors as we call them, they are rich because they invested early. And how did they invest early? Because they knew they had big fat pockets or deep pockets, and they had certain information that the general public did not have. They had a direct connect and they knew what the potential of the project was. Yes, I do understand some projects would be a gamble, but why am I saying FedEx is not a gamble? Is because of facts and the products that they already have up and running. It's not one or two guys. Feg has almost three products, if I'm not wrong. One is your Feg, exchange, which is the one that you see right now on the screen. The second would be your Feg tracker, which ideally is giving you details of the price and how much additional reflections that you are getting after the recent pay or purchase or sell. And to just try and test it out, guys, I just went ahead and bought FEG two times in a row. Once I bought it, I kept it for a duration of 24 to 48 hours and was seeing the reflection count, and then immediately I purchased once more, and it does work absolutely fine and smooth. It immediately reset the additional reflection count to zero and started counting from the beginning. Now that's really awesome, okay, right? Because that is now giving you the actual details of how many tokens you are receiving, and that you can use it and as a calculation. And the best part here is it also gives you, once clicking on that particular tracker. Since it's an app, I'm sorry I'm not able to show it to you. But when you click on the reflections token count, you will also be able to see the dollar value of it, right? So you just click on the number of tokens that is reflecting there. You can also see the dollar value. So that's something really cool. That is something which I liked. So considering those factors, I strongly believe that Fed is doing something big in the background, which this potential investor has got information about or knows that this is something that is going to bring a lot of change in the crypto space or a revolution, or his investment simple as that. I have invested here, 60 ETH. I would like to go grow my investment to almost double it, triple it, to whatever extent that particular investor wants to do. So it's all about profit. And end of the day, any investor who's putting in some amount of money would always expect money to come back to him. And in the, in certain scenarios, probably in the future, you wouldn't worry about fiat. You would only worry about how much crypto you got back, right? So taking in those lines, the next update that I have is regarding certain conversations or questions that I post, Fegrox and the community out there, and the developers. I mean, so I did ask them, is there any update on the game development part? To which they said yes, there are certain plans to up the funds, and that's where they're planning to bring in certain fundraising events or probably investors out there to go ahead and develop the game. And on the second note, I did ask them, see, we do have a lot of applications in place, right? We have the FEGX, you have the FEG Tracker, which is a separate app. You have the FEG Faucet, and you also have chats coming in. I don't know whether it would be part of your FEG exchange or would it be a separate link altogether. I did ask them, see, it's a bit complicated for people to use each application in different URLs or platforms, right? So I did ask them whether there is any plan to combine them into one single integrated web link or an application altogether. To which Fegrox did reply that yes, they are going to do it eventually, and it's already in plan. And probably once we can definitely expect some kind of an update in the upcoming days. And they did not give me any timeline, and that's what I liked. We do not want timelines or deadlines because that's meant to be in their own operational environment. Yes, as an investor, I would definitely would love to know when the product would get launched, but due to some unavoidable circumstances, we do not want FUD to flow in when the product launch does not happen, or certain updates or changes to the product does not happen on the intended date or day. So for that, see, it's all technology driven and people driven. And since we are a community, the only thing that we can do, as I've been saying in all my videos, if you're a good investor in terms of these kind of tokens which require a long term support, all you have to do is just wait and provide support to the developers to do their work. Do not get into fat. Do not get into the concept of thinking, okay, this token is dead, unless and until you have some solid facts, right? So I'm not speaking that okay, there are certain tokens where you just invest in any token and you just sit back and relax, you'll be able to make profits. No, I wouldn't do that as well. Even if I'm invested in the token for a minimum of $10, I would definitely be researching or reading about it every single day, knowing the progress. Yes, there are some odd times where you will not get much updates. Take for example Shiba Inu token. There are no major updates that I've wrote out from the past couple of weeks, or even more than that. In fact, there have been light integration updates, like you are receiving your rewards. Probably Satoshi is not Satoshi. I'm sorry. Uh, what's his name? I forgot. Ah, yeah, Satoshi only, right? Yeah, Satoshi Kusama, or someone from the ship developer, right? So he would be working on uh, in the back end in terms of automating the rewards or certain other developments that will happen. So that's all to them, deadlines all to them. And for us, what we would see, even if you take any corporate world as an investor, we would only look at the fact that if I'm promised a product and it would be delivered without any hiccups, then I'm in it. That's how I would like, because that's when I start making profits. Correct. So taking that into account, yes, it would be there coming out, but yeah, probably we will have to wait. And regarding fetch chart as well, yes, definitely there are fetch charts which are going to come out, and probably I believe that they're just waiting to integrate all this into one single platform and then go ahead and make a one big release. But yeah, that's just my assumption. Do let me know if anyone else has any other views on this in the comment section below. Moving on, the last and final, I just did mention Fiat to Fed, right? Now that's the huge update uh, I have read right now, and I was really excited to know about it. Sorry, my Discord is not loading properly. Gardarian and the Fed partnership. Yes, you got it. They did announce it. I mean, probably yesterday at 3 7 a.m. my time. They did say you will be able to go ahead and use fiat to purchase your FEG token through FEGX. So it will not be through Gardarian app or the Gardarian website. It will be through FEGX. Now imagine that kind of functionality added up to FEGX. Show me any other token or an exchange which is built up or a swap that is actually available out there which has this functionality. If you guys know about it, please do let me know in the comment section below so that I can learn and research more about that as well. And as far as I have read through, no other crypto has this option currently, at least, right? So yes, we are seeing, we did have the recent SafeMoon wallet launch, and through which they did add a buy button where you can purchase ETH and then convert that to SafeMoon. But think of it that here you're not purchasing ETH, you're purchasing FEC directly through fiat, and yet to see how the integration happens. We are yet to see. I'm not speculating, but if it so happens that we are able to purchase FEC directly using fiat, then that's a revolution, guys. That's a major, major revolution. Trust me, because none of the other altcoins, I believe, have this option available with them. I mean, again, unless and until they are part of the Gardarian platform. right? I just went through, went across to the website and I just wanted to check how it works out, and that's where you see that I filled some random a wallet address over here. So I was just trying to go ahead and continue with the purchase transaction part. So you just come down here. It's as simple as it gets. You have the currency that you want to fill in with. I think currently we have euro and TRY. I don't know how it would pan out when it comes to FedEx. Would it be added with USD support? I'm not so sure, guys. So that's something that we will have to definitely wait out and see. So as far as the update goes, I believe they have mentioned that it would take around 14 to 21 days. In yeah, right. So you can see here it's 14 to 21 days that the integration would be happening. So probably more updates to actually get into the details of how it would function or work. But simply the concept here is that you can use fiat currency to purchase FEC tokens as easy as it gets, and that too on the FEG exchange platform. You don't need to go anywhere else to any other third party website, link your wallet there, exposing yourself to some potential dangers. Nothing as such. So it's integrated to FEGX, which I believe is far more secure than any of the other banking websites out there. So that's my opinion. If you feel so, yes, please do comment below and let me know your views as well. So coming down, it's as simple as you select the currency, you just enter the amount that you want to go ahead and buy, and go ahead and enter the cryptocurrency that you would like to purchase. And there will be a small fee, the service fee of the portal itself, the Guardian portal, and probably the conversion amount of what would happen in the end, and then the expected slippage, you can say. So there would be some kind of slippage based on the current market price and stuff. So you would approximately get somewhere around 0.007 BNB for 300 euros worth. Now that's how it is ideally working. I mean, I know it's pretty basic for few of you out there, but this video is basically for those people who are still new and getting into the platform and probably want to know how to use these kind of exchanges or these kind of mechanisms to purchase. So moving on, this did interest me or gave me another thought over here, which would really be very nice, because imagine one, any other exchange that you purchase a token with your fiat, you will keep that in your exchange, and when you're trying to move it to your wallet, you definitely would need to pay some amount of net transfer fees. That would either be in ETH as gas fee, or you would ideally have to pay it in terms of the token itself, right? In this case FEG. So imagine you have FEG in some centralized exchanges and you want to transfer it to your wallet. It's like you're paying additional amount and you're losing some kind of some amount of tokens, which is still quite huge, guys. I believe it's somewhere in millions, I guess. Do let me know. I've personally not tried in any of the exchanges to withdraw it, but yeah, do let me know what would be the cost in certain exchanges which are centralized, and if you have any balance with them and tried withdrawing. But yeah, think of it now. You can connect your wallet to FEGX. You can use the interface over here of Guardian. Directly use your debit or credit card, I believe. I think credit card support is obviously there. And they have also mentioned that you can also utilize Google Pay or UPI platforms. Uh, and that's also quite huge because you don't need to even worry about your card details, and that's even more secure, right? So having that into consideration, if that's built up over here, I also strongly believe that the reverse mechanism also would be made available to us. Imagine you can just use the same platform to convert your FEC to fiat. Think of the ease of use that you would get to just liquidate your own funds. The use cases are really mind blowing, guys, and this is something which is a revolution. That is the reason I've been speaking about FEGX being a revolutionary product in terms of the smart DeFi platform, and adding this functionality will only enhance its presence in the market, as well as provide ease of use to all those users who are now having so much of effort in terms of purchasing crypto. This would mean that it's as good as you just transacting in Amazon or any other online portal, right? It becomes so easy as that. So imagine the amount of easiness or ease of use that you provide to the people out there. More and more people would definitely like to get into crypto. I have my own friends who are there, who are very much interested in crypto, but it's very new to them that they do not want to get into all these swapping mechanisms, which is a little cumbersome for them, at least right now, and they feel it's something that they will be losing a lot to do about. So if they are planning to invest $1,000 or $2,000, they would definitely be paying somewhere around $50 to $60 in gas fees in Ethereum platform. Yes, Binance might be a little lower, but still they do not want to take a chance, right? So that's what it is. But you give them the option of direct fiat to FEG through this platform, and that too through a secured website of FEGX. I think that's an option which any man out there who would love to buy crypto would definitely humbly embrace, right? So think of it. Please do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. This is all I had for this video for the updates front. And this update is really huge. I'm looking forward eagerly to understand how they are going to integrate it. I did ask about it, but then it's left to the interface between Gardarian and FEG. It's still under decisions on how they will actually go ahead and design their platform to work with FEG exchange. Only the integration is very simple from the FEG exchange, but I mean simple in the sense that they would have less amount of work to do because the payment interface is what needs to get through to FEG, right? So that becomes that definitely requires a lot of coordination between the FEG team as well as the Gardarian team too. So hoping that we are going to get that option as soon as possible. Within those 21 days, in fact, is what I'm eagerly waiting for. Let's see how the integration goes, and probably I'll make another video explaining the process of how we can actually go ahead and purchase. And I'm also eager to know whether we can directly purchase FEG, or would it be the still same old mechanism of ETH and then use this swap over here to go ahead and get FEG. So let's see how it is going to build up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do share and do subscribe to my channel. Go through and look out for other videos which I've made on FEG as well as other tokens which I feel are good to invest in. And do show your support by hitting the like button as well. Thank you so much. Have fun.